In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add color tags to your folders if you want to keep your project more organized and make important folders easier to spot at a glance. Adding color tags is a simple and very helpful tool. It can save time when you're working with lots of media, especially in larger projects where quick visual organization makes a big difference. To get started, first go to your media pool. This is the area where your folders and media are stored, so it's the right place to manage how everything is organized. Once you're there, take a moment to locate the folder you want to label with a color tag. Make sure you choose the correct folder before moving on, since the color tag will be applied specifically to that one. After you've found the folder, right-click on it. This will open a context menu with several options related to that folder. In that menu, look for the option labeled Color Tag. Depending on your interface, you may need to pause for a second to scan the list carefully, but it should be available among the folder options. When you find Color Tag, move over it or click it to expand the available choices. This will open a list of different colors you can apply. At this point, simply select the color you want to use. As soon as you click the color, the tag will be applied to that folder. Using color tags can be a great way to create your own system for sorting content. For example, you might use one color for footage, another for audio, and another for folders that still need review. The exact system is up to you, but the main benefit is that your folders become easier to identify without needing to read every name closely. If you don't see the color right away, just click away and check the folder again in the media pool. In most cases, the change should appear immediately. If you're organizing a complex project, applying folder colors consistently can make navigation much faster and help reduce mistakes. That's all it takes to add a color tag to your folders. It's a small feature, but it can make your workspace feel much cleaner and more efficient. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.